represent. I stay clear under pressure.
Good, everyone. If you can hear me, just put a thumbs up there. I'm just giving a few minutes for those latecomers to sort of jump on, because I see a lot of people are joining just on the 8:30 mark. So we'll just let this last song play out to remember that we are all built different. So just enjoy the song for the lyrics that it is, because you are different to everyone else. You are part of Aureus Alliance Holdings. Let someone else also feel that difference and join tonight. Share the link with your friends that are part of your team and your family. Let them all jump on tonight so we can train each other and get each other up to scratch with what the affiliate side of the business is about. Thank you.
I let action respond. Yeah, I don't rush the process. I let momentum form. Every decision I make is aligned with what's next. I don't react to emotion. I execute with respect. Oh, I don't need motivation. I build my own drive. I show up every day. That's how real growth multiplies. I'm built different. I move with direction. Every step I take compounds. I don't guess I progress. Oh, I'm gonna get started when I stay disciplined. I don't chase what fades fast. I build things that last. No, no, no noise. Oh, there's no running, no noise. Oh, running, no noise, no noise. Just focus, structure, daily standards. I get better quietly. I win long term. That's the difference. I'm built different. Come under pressure. I play the long game well, and it shows in the measures. Oh, I'm built different. This is deliberate. Every day I sharpen myself. I don't just hope, I develop. I'm built different. Whoa, no, 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 no. Yeah, Woo. Built different.
All right. Is everyone ready? I didn't see anyone giving me thumbs up to say that you're fine tonight. Is everyone still alive? I see names on the screen. I just don't know if you're alive. There we go. Someone's alive. Oh, there we go. Ravinder. Hey, I caught you tonight, Ravinder. Just on that note, Ravinder, if you can just unmute yourself. Sorry, I'm just trying to get to. If you can just unmute yourself, Ravinder.
Yeah, thank you, Paul. Thank you so much.
Hi, I want to put you on the spot a little bit while we're still maybe waiting for a few more people to join. I'm going to ask you a question, but before I ask the question, I just want everyone to know why I'm asking the question. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are on tonight's meeting, we all should know by now why we are here tonight. I just want to make it clear that not everyone is comfortable with sharing the business, and that's why a lot of people are finding it easier to join Aureus Alliance Holdings, because of the main part of the business just being a shareholder. However, we do have people that have a very good ability to be able to share the business and also enjoy that side of the business. So tonight, one of our co-hosts is Ravinder Paswan, and I just want him to give a short testimony of how this business is changing lives in his community, because I know he's one of those that has a passion for doing what we are going to be speaking about and presenting tonight. So Ravinder, if you can just share a little bit from your side about the business and how it's changing lives and how you're finding it as one of those people that is driving this in your community.
Yes, Paul, thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. And welcome everyone. I'm from India, and right now it's midnight in India. It's approximately 12 o'clock. All the people are sleeping in my house. My wife, my two daughters, all are sleeping. And I'm into the meeting. I'm very eager about Aureus, and I got this opportunity from Telegram. I was a user with JP from last 2023. I was in his project, and now because he's doing partnership with Aureus, and I'm again with him. And very recent, he visited India. Don and Neil Andrews, the CFO, I think so. I don't know the exact position, but he visited India, and Sachi Pillai, all the senior leaders who came from South Africa to India. We were very happy, and it was a celebration in India. Around 550 people were gathered when the event was organized at the venue. There were around 150 people who were standing while the session was going on, and the young handsome hunk JP, when he introduced himself and he present the Aureus, what is the business, how we are going to get benefit out of this Aureus shareholding. So everybody was excited, and 3 to 4 hours we were fully in a mood to celebrate the Aureus festival. It was like Aureus festival, and with this in India, see, a lot of people are in India, they're waiting for such kind of opportunity where they can see their future in long term, in long vision. Because there are so many crooks in the market who take the money uh, out of the pocket, and hard-earned money people lose everywhere. So this is the opportunity where people can feel the future. Like Don always says that this Aureus is for wealth creation. It is for your generations. So people want to make generational wealth, because I'm 45 and half of the picture is fully flopped, you can say, and I'm waiting that the half portion of my life will be super hit, and this is the moment with Aureus we can celebrate our second half with the beautiful future. So I'm making good community in India. A lot of people are interested. Every day they are buying shares in my office. Every day there are number of footfalls, and I have around 100 directs and more than 600 people in my team now. And very soon, Don has committed that he will come again in India, and he want to give Indians an opportunity and a compliance to all the Indians, those who can buy from Indian money, from Nepal, neighborhood Nepal. There also, Donovan wants to do the compliances wherever the problems are there in the country, where people cannot buy shares directly. So don't want that everybody should buy the shares. Everybody has this opportunity, and in the low cost, if everybody is ready to make their pockets full with shares, they can buy, and he is ready to fulfill all the compliances, all the government norms. So he will come back in India. But what I'm expecting that in a few days all the shares will sold out. Very soon there are people who are waiting that if anything comes out of our place where the mining is going on, if they will see even 1 kg of gold from there, definitely a lot of investors will come, and they will give any kind of amount they will be ready to offer, even Don and JP. So it's an opportunity till the time gold is not produced from there, from our mining side. It's an opportunity that we are getting these shares in a very cheap cost. Otherwise, maybe 3 to 4 lakh shares will be sold out very soon. And if Don and JP will crack $5-10 million deal, then definitely will get the shares in $50 or more in value. So it's an opportunity, and in India we are excited, and very soon we'll make a good crowd over here. Right now in Asian region, number of users are very less, but very soon we'll organize again a good session, a good meeting, and we'll expect that next time Paul also will be here with us to celebrate this event in India. And thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Don. Thank you, JP. Thank you, Paul. Because of your videos, so many users who understand English. I'm sending your videos to such people, those who understand English. They're even joining in our team. So it's a good opportunity, and you're doing a great job. We are following your footsteps, your footprints. So rock all, and we are along with you. We are along with Aureus and all the Aureus family members. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity to Asians, Indians, and everywhere across the world. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Ravinder. Folks, just to let you know, Ravinder, as he said, it's 12 o'clock. It's just gone midnight or over midnight there in India. We've also got people from Suriname. Regalia is one of them. Regalia, might be saying it wrong. Regalia. And we also have someone from Canada, Mr. Ian. So we can see our family is not just in our own neighborhood. It's stretching far across the oceans. And this is the beauty of what we are doing right now, because, you know, you may have friends or family or connections right across the world. And, you know, sometimes we look on our own doorsteps, and often when we do opportunities like this as affiliates, or I don't want to say network marketers, but you know, most businesses where they talk about networking or communicating with other people about the business, they always tell you to start with family and friends. And a lot of us overlook that sometimes our family and friends are right in the same street or in the same neighborhood or in the same city or the same province. But sometimes we have other people that we know that are over the oceans, as we can say that. And a lot of us have these connections, but sometimes we just overlook it. So I just wanted to plant a seed tonight. If you do have people that you know that may be far and wide, just share it with them. You never know how big and how far Aureus is going to grow. But as Ravinder said right now, one of the nice things that I heard in that testimony of his, when Donovan and JP went to India, they were willing to work with that community, knowing how active they are, to try and make it easier for them to become on board and become shareholders of the company. So he was talking there about, you know, onboarding and working with that community to get it easier for them to use their own currency and stuff like that. So just remember, folks, no company can expand if there's no need to expand. So if there is a need in your country and you have a team, I'm sure these things will happen through the leadership. We've just got to know where the need is. And I'm sure one of the next countries, and I don't want to jump the gun for JP, but I think I'm going to fill in his calendar. I'm going to tell him to our next party should be in Suriname. They're going to have a big party there for us. Anyway, so I am going to jump to the presentation for now. I just want to know if everyone can see my opening screen. Can everyone see the presentation on the screen for now? Robert, can you just...
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, thank you very much. Great. I will carry on. Just give me 2 seconds. I just want to take something off my screen here so I can move. All right. And I just want to apologize to everyone that was on Monday's meeting. I forgot to record it, so there is no recording of Monday night's meeting. My apologies. I just forgot to click or put on the record button. So I do apologize. This Friday coming, we will record the shareholders presentation again. All right, so we're going into tonight's presentation, and we're obviously talking, as I said, and we had the opening of Ravinder giving a short testimony there. We're talking about Aureus Alliance Holdings. Now, it's a holding company, basically, that is going to be doing many various things. But one of them right now that we're talking about is opening our wash plant mining technology, and it's building gold-backed impact ventures, right? And that is the main thing behind everything that we're doing, is gold is going to be backing us. It's not just a digital this or a program that's this or a membership of this and stuff that we cannot validate. This is a genuine company that is talking about real gold. And from that, when we're producing that real gold, we're selling it on a market which gives us real profits. And from real profits, we all benefit. And that is what we are buying into. So when shareholders, as Ravinder was saying just now, I believe as well, and I seconds him what he said. And when people do see the gold literally that the company is making or getting out of the ground, I believe then people are going to jump on the bandwagon, as we can call it, a lot quicker and a lot faster, because it's always difficult to understand and to see something, the vision, if you don't see the physical results. And that is what a lot of us in the world are like. We want to see something first before we can believe in a vision of someone or a business. And in this case, I think the presentation itself, without me seeing the results, I already, one of those, and I don't want to speak for everyone, but I'm just going to say, me personally, I did see the greater, bigger picture of where I believe the company is trying to go and how it's trying to treat people with that respect that a lot of companies don't give. And that is why I say I like the phrase there, to give back to the community. Because I can tell you now, I have personally joined a lot of businesses where I don't believe giving back to the community is actually what was the vision for the company. They just wanted to make quick money, run away with it, and forget about everyone else that helped grow that business. In this way, I believe we are giving back to the community through everything that is happening through Aureus Alliance Holdings. All right, so I just want to carry on with the presentation. Sorry. All right, so becoming an Aureus affiliate. Imagine a system where every time someone purchases shares because of you sharing that link, you get paid. Now, let me just give you an example, and I used it last week, and I'll carry on using it. Most of us know McDonald's or KFC. Let's just use those two fast food franchises. Now, I might have a nice Zinger burger or a McFlurry ice cream special from McDonald's, either or. I really, really love it. And now I go and tell people, hey, man, I had such a bad day, but you know what? I went to KFC or I went to McDonald's, whichever one you want to choose, and you tell them about it. But you don't really get anything out of that. Yes, you get the satisfaction of expressing yourself and telling someone that you had a good experience, but you don't get paid for it because there's no form of payment for that, right? However, when you get an opportunity to share something and get paid for it, that is a bonus. And this is exactly what we're speaking about here. An affiliate program that basically pays you for sharing the opportunity for someone to become a shareholder in this company and also help the company grow. So that's the entire idea behind the Aureus affiliate program, is to just a simple optional way to earn, built for people who like sharing opportunities, because there are some of us that are that type of person. When you have, or when you see something that is good or that can benefit other people, you are open. You're open-minded enough to say, hey, John, you're my best friend, but I'm telling you now, I cannot live with myself if I don't share this thing that I've come across. I just want you to have a look at it. Come join me on a Zoom meeting. And that is as much and as simple as it could be or should be. And there are people that are brilliant at that. And they just, it flows off their tongue. They have the gift of the gab and they just know how to get people. They twist the arm, if I can say. And when they twist the arm, then sometimes the people are just, they're excited to jump on board, because those people are just, they see things. And when they see the opportunity, they just get their whole team together and they bring the whole team into things like this. And that is who we speak into tonight. I believe each and every one of you are here for that very same reason, because you see the ability that the company is giving you right now, not to just be a shareholder, but to also earn the affiliate commission and the gold diggers commission or prize if you are one of those that are in the top 10. All right, so we're going to give you a little bit of a scenario in our presentation tonight. So how the affiliate commission works. When you introduce someone who decides to buy shares, there is money set aside, right? We get two sets of money, but we're first going to talk about the first one, which is the direct sales commission. So if I introduce, let's say, for instance, Robert, all right? Robert buys 10,000 shares. We're going to show you basically how that scenario works out, but we're just going to change the names on the screen. But I'm just giving you an example. If Robert was the one that bought it from me, but I'll use different names here just now. All right. Out of that 15% that you get, it's broken down into two parts. 10% in USDT goes into your direct wallet on your back office, which you then can withdraw or convert to shares. That is your option to decide what you're going to do with it. You can either, like I said, withdraw it, or you can convert it to shares, however you feel. The other 5%, the system automatically buys you fractional shares. Now, we call it fractional shares, but you might just find, let's say you get $25 as that payment, and right now one share is $25, so it will actually buy you one full share. However, it's just called fractional shares because the system does not know at that specific time whether it's going to be a full or a part of a share. So we just call it fractional shares. That's just the name it's given. All right. So as your network grows, you also receive, as we said, tiny fractional rewards from team activity. So that's why sometimes you'll see on your dashboard, let's say I started my journey with 100 shares. But if I share this opportunity with someone else and I eventually start getting, people underneath me, I might just find 101.12, then 101.3. And those fractional shares will build up as I'm getting more people on board underneath me. As Ravinder just shared just now, he's got about, did he say 100 people underneath him? I forgot the number, or 80. He said 80 or 100. It was quite a big number. I thought, I just wish I could get that in my whole team, let alone directly underneath me. But that's why I said there are people that are just great at sharing. And some people have the gift of the gab and they just naturally are able to share the business because they have those connections. Me, unfortunately, I was like an island at school. I was the only one. I never had friends. I still don't have friends. Besides you folks, thank you for being my friends. I'm growing a bigger family through Aureus. But yes, some of us just grew up in a life where we didn't really have connections with a lot of people. And it's a little bit difficult for some of us to get into the crowds that we need to get into. But some are natural. They work with a lot of people. They connect with a lot of people. They talk to a lot of people daily. And it's just natural for them to be able to say, hey, you know what? I see you on a daily basis. I know your situation. I've seen your situation. But you know what? We can change that. Let's just have a conversation. I've got something great that I know about, and I believe it's going to go somewhere. And I just want to know if you want to join me on that journey, because this is going to be something huge and amazing. Something to that effect, like I said, some of us can have the ideas, but some of us just don't know how to speak to people. Some of us can speak to people, but we don't know how to say it. So this is why there are some of us that have the connections. There are some of us that know what to say. There are some of us that know how to create things that can help others. And this is what we want to bring together as affiliates. We want to grow a community where we are helping each other build our little empire, the Aureus Alliance Holdings empire that is going to change and give back to these communities. And part of that community is obviously you are one of them, because as I'm standing here, my head can't function without my feet, and vice versa. We all are part of a bigger body and we need each other. All right, so going forward in the presentation, as I said, we're using a $10,000 purchase as an example. So when a person you invited purchases 10,000 shares, $10,000 worth of shares in value, then this is what's going to happen. So when you invite John, as I said, I think that was the name that I used just now before I said Robert. When you invite John to purchase $10,000 value in shares, you will then, as I said, if we break it down, earn $1,000, which is your 10% in USDT that goes into your back office wallet, all right, which then, as I said, you can withdraw. 5% then, which in this case is $500, will then become fractional shares. All right. And I just want to confirm that it looks like that is now going to be 20 because the price has gone up. Last week I did it wrong. I just want to work it out because we know each share is now divided by 25. That's 20 shares. So in this case, if someone of your downliner right now, or someone you introduced had to buy $10,000 in shares, you would get 20 fractional shares automatically purchased by the system. So there is just an example to you. So we know now when those shares eventually increase in dividends over time because the company is growing. Those things can add up. They're going to add up slowly but surely. Those things are going to add up. So in the example that Ravinder gave, let's call it 100 people. Those direct people under Ravinder, every time they introduce someone, he's the upliner. He's going to start getting, and that's what we're going to show you the next slide. He's going to keep on getting these referral fractional share prices as well, because look what happens in the next step. You received the $1,000 and the $500 in fractional shares. What happens in the next step now? Your upliner, in this case, it's Tom, your sponsor, the person that brought you into the system, that introduced you through their link, now will get $500 value in fractional shares. Now that fractional shares again gets broken up into 10% and 5%, and the system does the exact same thing going forward until there's obviously no more money left in that chain. So this is basically the system giving upwards again and not downwards. So it's not multi-level marketing, but it's just looking after the people that have already built the system before you, if we can say that. So you do get money from the person that you introduced, then you get fractional shares, and those fractional shares enables the person above you, their fractional shares, and enables the person above them. So it does look after the people that have already paved the way for us to be shareholders. So I hope everyone understands that. Does everyone sort of understand that in this example? Like I said, the $500 in value of fractional shares that Tom then gets, $50 will then go to his USDT, and $25 in this case will buy one share. He will get one full share to his name. All right. Does everyone understand that up until now? I'm dodging the bullets here. I'm just waiting if there's any bullets coming. Everyone understand? Thank you, Vince. Thank you, Vince. Thank you, Vince. Anyone else? Ravinder, thank you. Ravinder knows this. I don't know why he's even... Yes, thank you for acknowledging Ravinder, but you should be the one giving this presentation. You know it so well. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to carry on. I just hope the rest of you regalia. Yes, Solly, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Maybe there's a delay in the audio to some places. All right, so yes, that is exactly the short part of the presentation on the affiliate side. Now we're going to jump, I think, to the next slide, which explains there's two parts that we receive when the company makes or sells shares, right? There's 15% that is put aside for affiliate commission, and there's 15% that is put aside for the gold diggers competition, as we call it. Now, in this case, I know we're not on phase 3, but I'm just using this as an example. We are not in phase 3 right now. I'm just using this text on the screen as an example. We finished phase 3, and just to let those know that are on tonight that potentially were in the Gold Diggers top 10 this last month, we are just waiting for the results to be audited and verified, and JP, I believe, is going to let the results be known on Monday. All right. So just bear with us. Remember, they were in India, they were traveling, and the things are just slightly delayed this month because of that out of town sort of situation. But the results will be disclosed or given to us on Monday. All right. So just bear with us, because I know someone did ask today in the group. So just bear with us while those processes are being followed, all right, so that we make sure everyone gets what is due to them. All right, so basically in this example of phase 3, as we can say, we were trying to sell 506,958 shares. Now, ideally, if it was a perfect scenario, which we know in life things are never ever perfect the way we plan it, we would have then raised 10 million, just over 10 million in money, and of that 10 million, you can see both parts would have got 1.52 million and a little bit of change. And that is what would have been in the kitty, so to say, to share. So obviously that 1.5 million for the affiliate commission would have paid the 10%, obviously going to our USDT wallets, and the other 5% would have paid our fractional shares that the company would have just carried on giving to us as that happens. Then in the competition, the Gold Diggers competition, it will always be the case that there is 15% of the that phase set aside for the Gold Digger competition rewards. And out of that, whatever is sold, 40% then becomes the first prize amount. 20% will then become the second place prize amount. 12% will become the third place, and then from 4 to 10th place, you will get 4%. So it's not to say that even if we only sell 5% of that 506,958, that you will definitely get $378,000. We obviously take it according to how much of those shares in that phase were sold, and it will give us then an amount. I'm going to show the back office after this, just the Gold Digger section for tonight. I did on last Wednesday, I did a more, I don't want to say a full walkthrough of the dashboard, but I did do a more in-depth, if I can call it that, quick walkthrough. But tonight, I'm just going to touch quickly on the Gold Diggers again, just to show you more or less what that looks like in that. All right. So basically, that is the Gold Diggers competition, how it's generally worked out. It's going to be according to how many shares in that phase we have sold, and the money made in that phase then will be given, 15% of it will be given to the Gold Diggers competition, and then it will be broken down 40, 20, 12, and then 4 to 10th place will get 4% each. So does everyone just understand that? So that we don't like say, hey, the presentation said in this phase, if I win, I must get 500,000 and I didn't get it this month. Do we all understand that? Must I say it again? All right, I hope everyone did hear that. So I'm just hoping that we all understand the Gold Diggers breakdown and how it works. All right. Thank you, Vince, once again, leading the pack. V for victory. I like that. V for Vince. All right. So we're just going to carry on the presentation. All right. So why does this exist, that we have this affiliate competition, or that we have the affiliate side of the business? We all know, and let's be honest, companies can pay for advertising, and it may never really work, because trends always change, algorithms change on social media, and what worked 10 years ago might not work now, and things like that. But one thing that has always stood the test of time is word of mouth. And often word of mouth works a lot better and a lot faster than any advertising, I believe, can. Why? Because let's say it this way. If Robert is a friend of mine and he comes to me and he speaks about Aureus, and another person that doesn't know me from a bar of soap also sees me online and says, hey, I see you into network marketing, yeah, is something, just look at it and follow my link. Who honestly do you think I would join first or believe first about Aureus? It's more than likely going to be Robert, my friend, someone that I know, like, and trust over someone that I don't know. I don't know if I like the person yet because I haven't got to know them. And surely there's no trust yet because they haven't proven anything to me to know that I trust them. So often, a company will reward the people who help build a community to grow. And it's people that know how to use the KLT, as I call it, to build the community through talking to people that they know obviously have that connection, that relationship with them. So if I say now to someone tonight that I have a connection with, and I say, hey, John, really, I don't know why we're still sitting here struggling. He has a company that potentially is going to get us out of the struggles. I just want you to come to the Zoom meeting and have a look, man. Really, you're a friend of mine and we can't carry on like this. Maybe there must be a better way out there. All right. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sort of putting out a scenario. but this is generally how it is. This is existing because of things like this, where we have a passion to allow ourselves to get out of situations or circumstances and allow ourselves to be part of something that is going to expand and grow. But because of our effort, we're allowing that to happen. And because of that, this is why the company is going to say, we appreciate you. And that's it. No pressure. It's just as simple, really as simple as that. It doesn't have to be hard. There's no real obligations. As it says on the screen, there is no obligations, but it's just, this is there as a simple way to earn more money by sharing something you yourself are believing in. And that being said, for you to be an affiliate, we would really recommend that you also are starting off as a shareholder, because honestly, I know most of the time, if I introduce anyone to anything like this, they're going to say, hey, Paul, is it working for you? First of all. Secondly, they're going to ask, how did you start, or what did you start with? What was your route and your journey? But if you say, hey, man, I was a little bit scared and I only put in one share, and, then they're also going to start feeling skeptical, and they're going to feel, but why are you then sharing it with me? But if you go in there and you say, hey, you know what, I saw the vision and I started with $100 minimum and this and that, and then you work it out and you see for yourself, how much would you make now if someone had to buy 100 shares under you, or, if they were your team member, and each of your team members followed you and did 100 shares, 100 shares, 100 shares, you would eventually be making good money. So it's always good to be able to lead by example in something. So that's why I say it would rather be better for you to start off having shares of your own and being able to show someone exactly what you did to join and to do this yourself. And then once you start earning, obviously you can say to them, hey, you see what's happening. You see what's happening. We know the mining hasn't started yet, but you can show them as a team builder. If you are one of those that are building your team faster than others, you will be one of those in the Gold Diggers competition earning money. And you can show them, hey, you see what happened when I introduced 100 people this week or this month? That's what happens. You see, and they will see that. Then they will see this side of the business, if that is the route you are introducing to people. Because remember, the shareholder is the basic of the business. The affiliate is just the extra icing on the cake. So right now I'm going to, that's the end of the affiliate training presentation. I'm just going to take off the PDF for now. And I'm going to then go to, okay, just hang on with me while it's just disappearing off the screen quickly. It always does this just when I want to change something. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, there we go. All right. So can you see my browser screen, Robert?
Yes, I can.
Okay, great stuff. All right. So everyone, this is your back office affiliate dashboard. You can see here, if you click here, we are in the affiliate dashboard, the blue one, affiliate dashboard. I'm already there, so it's not going to change anything. And I just want to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth tab on the left says Gold Diggers. I'm clicking on that. It's going to take a little bit of time to load, because obviously it's trying to get real-time notifications and stuff. So right now, you can see there's a total pool price. As I was saying in the presentation just now, the pool price comes from the amount of shares. You can see out of the 561,000 odd shares that we're trying to sell, only 1,751 have been sold. All right. So in this phase, there is obviously a lot more money on the line than the 378,000 that was in phase 3. I can't tell you off the top of my head what it is, but we can see in this phase, we've only so far sold 0.3% of the amount of shares that we have available in this phase. So the more of these shares that we sell, the higher the progress, the higher these amounts will then end up being. So right now, this is the current price that is, let me just check at 2628. Let's just go down here and see if that is, yes, you can see 2628. So these amounts are updating as the shares are being sold. So right now in first place, and if we just actually even look at second place, Mr. Paswan, thank you for giving us that testimony, because there we go. There we go. The gentleman, to all of you that heard in the beginning that was speaking to us, is actually in second place. And that's why I said, there is no better person right now to just give us that opening testimony of how this is blessing a community and even himself through sharing this with other people. He's already standing in second place in the competition for this month after 5 days of it changing to phase 4. So there we go, folks. If you want to see how your standings are on Gold Diggers competition, you just click on this Gold Diggers tab. It will show you currently what is happening, how many shares, the progress. It will show the prize pool, how much is given. It just gives you a little bit of information here on what counts and what doesn't count. For those of you that may be doing this for the first time, it just shows you how to win. Obviously, the steps you need to take. It also just explains slightly better on what counts and what doesn't count. In this example, it gives 3 different examples. And then it just shows the leaderboard for now. So if you are in the leaderboard, at least you can see, hey, if I'm down here at 35 and I have so many people and so many dollars sold or whatever, I can see, okay, I'm on $1.02. But for me now to get to number 10, I need another $374 to be sold underneath me. And then I will feature over here. So it's always easy, yeah, should I say, sorry, nothing is ever easy, but it's always easy, yeah, when you can see, okay, that is the standard right now. So if I want to feature in top 10, I have to be at least there. And then you can see, just to do your planning, okay, I know so many people in my organization are generally buying for so many dollars. So for me to get to that, I'm going to need to speak to more people. So you can work your numbers out based on that. All right. So folks, that is just the Gold Diggers competition dashboard there. I'm just going to leave it there for tonight, just to help those know, because this question was also asked in the group earlier today. Someone asked, where can they get their link? So I'm just going to show you quickly where you can get your link, because there is multiple places. But let's just go here to the second tab, referrals, and you will be able to get your link over here. Okay, there you can see share your links. And for whatever reason, it's not working there. Okay, let me just, I see it says referral link locked. I don't know why it's saying that, because I do have, okay, let me just check. There was another place you can do it. Let me just see if it's on the overview screen again. There we go. There's your link. If you go to the overview screen, your link will be here. You can copy your link and then share it. So on the overview screen, it's very simple. You just go down below all of the first information. There is your link there, or you can just copy it and then you can paste it. So on your mobile phone, it should also be like that. You just go down a little bit, you find it, and then you can share it with someone. And when you open that link, it will open up your personal. And this is the nice thing about the business. If you open that link, it has your own personalized Aureus website. So you don't really, I don't want to say you don't have to, but the Aureus website in a way does a little bit of work for you in the background. And this can help people. So all you have to physically do is just point people to your link. They can find information there, but also you can invite them to the Zoom meetings. And it doesn't have to be that difficult for you to make money as an affiliate, because a lot of the tools are there. Next week, I'm going to touch more on the marketing tools side and the messaging tools for next week's training. So just diarize it for yourself. Next week, we're going to work on the marketing tools and the messaging. So MM, we're going to do M and M, messaging and marketing tools. All right, so for tonight, that is the end of my presentation. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to open it up for any questions that you have, and hopefully we can give an answer. And in this, my co-host, Robert Miller, is going to help me. So there we go. We got Dr. B.B. Sander. Thank you. You can unmute yourself. Robert, are you unmuted there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's just, Dr. Sander, you can just unmute yourself and ask your question.
Thank you, Paul, for such an insightful presentation. I'm quite new. I've just bought my shares just before they could close last week on the $20. It's an exciting opportunity. I've always been attracted to gold, so yeah, it's quite a great one. What I want to find out, Paul, knowing that in South Africa, we've got a lot of people who would love to own gold, but they could be struggling because of maybe some poor background, even though they would want to. But we know for a fact also that there's a lot of people who have got stokvels in the country. I did realize that when you apply, you can apply as an individual, you can also apply as a company. So I would like to know if you can also apply as a cooperative or as a stokvel. Can that also be made available?
All right. I will let Robert answer this one because I know on the dashboard, can you guys still see the dashboard for now?
It was a bit blurry, but at least it's coming through now.
Can you still see my screen where it's showing right now? It's showing the screen where it says final countdown at the top. Can you see that?
Yes, you can see that. Yes.
Okay. So if everyone is following what Dr. Sander just asked, he asked about registering a company. So I'm just going to go to shareholder dashboard. But I will get Robert to show you or explain the rest. I'm just going to show you basically where one can register other than your own personal. So if you go to the shareholder dashboard, you get the dashboard overview, purchase shares, my portfolio, company accounts. This is where you will do that. So it's the fourth link down. You go to company accounts, and yeah, you can register a company. For now, it says company, but Robert will explain the process because I believe he will understand it slightly more because I think he has worked with it already, and he will give an answer. So Robert, thank you. If I can just hand it over to you to answer this question.
Good evening, Dr. Sander. How are you?
I'm blessed and grateful. Thank you, Robert, man. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Excellent.
All right, to answer your question, okay, we have had a case where people came in as a club, you know, where they work with their financials as a club, you know, and they've got their members in that club. And yes, I let them discuss exactly the conditions and what they need to do and everything, and from there they can work it through. So companies, yes, you can do your company and you can do your own personal on the website, but anything else you'd have to speak to Donovan and negotiate with them, and then you guys can work things out exactly how you're going to go forward.
Awesome. Great stuff. I don't know how to get their contacts, Donovan's contacts, but I would appreciate if I could.
Doctor, are you in the shareholders main group for now or not? Have you been added to the WhatsApp group yet?
Yes, I have been added there, yes.
All right. If you look in the WhatsApp group, you will see Donovan and JP. They are in the group. You will be able to see in the members. You will see their numbers available there. It's Donovan or JP. They are the two that you can speak to. And obviously, if you do need to have a personal conversation with them, as Robert said, you can strike that up with them and then you can explain. Because as Robert did say now, that there are other people that have also shown an interest to help communities or stokvels or a church group or whatever, as you are explaining yourself. Just to sort of clarify when you were saying just now, when you say people want to buy gold, remember, we're not buying gold. We're just buying into a company that is going to produce gold that then will make us money. So it's not like we now, I have a share in the company and I'm physically going to get gold every time they pay me. Just to clarify, it's more, the gold is what backs the money that we're earning, because we are buying a company that's producing the gold or mining the gold, which we sell then to make the profits. So I just wanted to sort of clarify that. I don't know, maybe it was just your expression was slightly wrong, but I just heard that. So I just want to clarify for others as well. We are not going to get gold. We are mining it through our processes, but we sell it then to get the monetary value of it, to then give out to everyone as shareholders, as dividends. All right. So yes, there is the potential, as Robert said now, for those that are interested in helping communities, like a stokvel or a church group or a company or whatever it is that you have the idea. You can just follow the process on the website right now. As I've got it on the screen still, you can see the opportunity to register a company. Let me just show you. When you click on there, I can't go through the whole process because I don't have a company, so I don't even know what to put in here. I don't want to put dummy text here and then destroy my account for now. But you can see it's basically your legal name, your trading name, your registration number, your tax number, company type, and there again, it does show you what type of company. So like their non-profit company, incorporated company, trust, a partnership, a sole proprietor, so anything other. So there is a way for you to sort of do that, but it just probably needs to go through Donovan and JP first, just so that they know that they will guide you as into the right process that they believe you need to take to get everything in place. Maybe there's documents that you need to upload while you're doing this, so they just will explain to you what needs to happen in that process, because they are the ones that know how the company is working, and they know the legalities of what needs to happen when they allow certain things to happen under the company and other things like this that happen. So they will have the better answers, knowing what they've built and how they're offering it to other people, especially in terms of this, or stokvels, or church groups, or whatever else community-wise is going to join. All right, so I hope that answered the question for you, Dr. Sander, and anyone else that potentially had the same or a similar question. I hope that answered it for everyone.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's answered. Thank you.
All right, was that the only question you had, Doctor? Because I'm sure doctors have a lot of questions. Or you're not going to ask me if I'm feeling good today, or you're not that type of doctor?
No, by the look of the sound of your voice, you are in 100% perfect condition of health.
I'm glad you gave me that. I'm going to tell my doctor, yeah, he's lying then. Okay, thank you very much. All right,
just as an insight, but I think that will be discussed with Robert, JD, and Donovan, because I think at some point you will have to sell the gold. Some of the gold you'll be producing besides the shares.
Yeah, no, definitely. Look, we all know, we're all holding on in anticipation to just see basically, what is going to happen when we do start mining there, because it's really interesting. I mean, I grew up in Kimberley those years, my younger years, and De Beers mines, the Oppenheimer family was huge there, obviously. And
Yes.
I was born in Joburg, and I don't know what company it was originally, but like, let's say Anglo Gold and Anglo Platinum was like, it was some companies that came out years later. But I know my grandfather worked on the gold mines years and years ago. But if I had the opportunity then to, let's say, buy shares of any of those two companies, I probably wouldn't have been sitting here today speaking to you folks the way I'm speaking to you now. So I think is an opportunity for us as a greater, as I said, family. We've got people from India, from Canada, from Suriname. So that's literally 4 corners of the world, literally. If you look at it, and if you add South Africa, we like literally 4 corners of the world, right across the earth. And this is just how awesome this can be, where it changes from one little location mining right now. Currently, it's changing lives in all over the world. And this is the beauty of just how amazing this opportunity is that we're sitting on. Literally, excuse the pun, sitting on a gold mine.
Of course, definitely.
All right. So thank you, Dr. Sander. We hope that you're going to enjoy your journey with us. You said you just joined recently. So Friday, again, we will do the shareholders presentation. Monday, again, the shareholders presentation. So if you are introducing this to other people, or you also yourself just want to see more about the presentation, just come yourself, bring your people. We are more than welcome. You are more than welcome, and they are more than welcome to come and just get more knowledge and more outlook as to what the company is about. We appreciate your presence here tonight. Thank you.
Awesome, sir. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Pleasure, man. All right. Anyone else with a question? Okay, wait. I see some chats are happening and I haven't been there to check them. The presentation slides are blurry. Okay. Paul, could you please show the full screen? I was showing the full screen. Your screen is okay, folks. I don't know why that then was the case.
Please remember that on the Aureus website, okay, you have got to scroll down on the screen. So Paul won't be able to show you the entire screen in that sense, because he has to scroll down the screen to be able to view it.
Yeah, I think it was a presentation they were talking about that was blurry, but the thing is, on my side, I made it all big, and it looked clear on my side. So I'm not sure that was maybe a Zoom error, because obviously I'm presenting through Zoom, but I do apologize if it was not clear. What I wanted to say as well is, Robert, I believe, what I do believe, I will have to okay it with JP first, because I don't just want to go off and change or create groups. Because I know it was sort of discussed before that maybe we just need to have an affiliate group where we discuss affiliate related things other than shareholder things or support things. So I strongly believe we need to create a group like that. So in the affiliate group, once it is created, we will put this presentation there as it's a short PDF. It's not a very large file where you can just have a look at it, so that when we do this presentation, you can perhaps just follow along on your phone if you need to, or on your computer, however you want to, if it's not coming through clearly as it was tonight. Because on my side, it looked clear. It looked like it was on the screen, but then on your side, however it's coming through to you, like I said, that could be a connection problem. That could have been a Zoom problem. I can't see the end result. All I see is what's on my screen, and to me, it looked like it was showing. So I do apologize to anyone if it didn't come through clearly tonight. I do apologize. There was obviously nothing I could do about that, because I didn't see it while it was on that side. So I'm sorry about that to everyone that saw a blurry screen. That was not my intention. All right. Is the Gold Diggers Club still ongoing? Yes. Solly, the Gold Diggers is going to be ongoing throughout all phases that we will be selling. All right. Just on that note, I forgot to say it. Remember, the affiliate side of the business is only going to last until all 1.4 million shares are sold. Once all phases and all shares are sold, then the affiliate side of the business actually will die out, because there will be no more of that coming in. I hope everyone sort of understands that. So yes, it's almost like a ticking time bomb, if I can call it that, or you have a time to do this. And obviously, as we know, this company is trying to sell out all the phases by no later than July next year. So you literally almost have just over a year and 3 months, if I'm working it out in my head correctly, more or less, to sort of do this. So yes, if you want to be one of those lucky enough to still make money from the affiliate side, jump on the bus right now, because the bus is leaving and it's eventually going to stop. And when it stops, you can't say, hey, I wanted to, I could have, but I didn't. So let's not do that. So guys, enjoy this opportunity for what it is. If you are one of those, like Ravinder himself gave a testimony just now, and you can even see on the Gold Diggers dashboard, which I took off the screen just now. I'm just going to stop sharing my screen for now. All right. Where Ravinder himself that gave the testimony just now is one of those that is leading that Gold Diggers competition at the moment. It just shows that if you do want to make the best of the opportunity that's given to you, you will make a plan and you will be one of those that will succeed. Because I can tell you now, I'd rather see you at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. And in that note, if there's no more questions, I want to say goodbye to everyone. Have a great evening, and then we will see you again on Friday night. So unless there's any other questions, I will be then closing the meeting off. All right. It doesn't look like anyone else. Is the 20 shares still? Okay, Solomon. Solomon, I'm not sure when you jumped on the meeting tonight, but we're in phase 4 at the moment. And if you look on your dashboard right now, let me just click onto my dash. Okay, I've stopped the sharing. I'm not going to put it on again. But if you go onto your overview tab of your current dashboard, you will see the current price is $25. It changed on the 6th of February. All right. The 6th of February, we went over to phase 4. And currently right now, it is at $25 per share. So the $20, to answer your question, plain and simple, no, it's not available. It's not ongoing because it only lasts for a month. Each phase lasts for a month, or let me just clarify this, until the shares in that phase are sold out, which up until now has not happened. I don't want to say it's not going to happen, but I'm just saying, if we are lucky enough to sell out a phase before the month, then only will the price change to the next phase, if that is the case. But so, just to clarify, it's either for a month or until all the shares for that phase are sold out, then the price will change to the next one. But it will never stay indefinitely at that one price, just to let you know. Right. Okay, thank you, Regalia. Yes, we're going to come and have the party. Please make sure that we have a venue, the boat, and all the food is sorted out. By the time we come there, we're going to have a big party in Suriname. Thank you, man. All right. Thank you, Ravinder. Okay, when is the second phase of the 25 ending? Solomon, like I said, I don't know what you're talking about, second phase, unless you were trying to say phase. There's no second phase. I'm not sure what you're trying to ask there, but the $25 phase, if I can call it that, is ending on the 5th of March, midnight, or 23:59 South African time, SAST time. So as soon as it goes 12 o'clock on the 6th of March, South African time, that is when it goes over to $30, phase 5. All right. Okay, any other questions? Thank you, Pello. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate your acceptance of the apology. And thank you for saying thank you. Yes, folks, I might not always be perfect, but I just try my best to give everyone the knowledge that they need. But please, if there is anything that I skip or miss or don't give you, please just let me know, because there are days where, you know, sometimes you plan on saying it like this, but it comes out like that, and not everyone agrees with it like that. So please, I'm here to assist. I'm here to learn as well. Even though I finished school many years ago, I'm always still a student, like we all should be. Teachable, coachable, and willing to learn new things. So with that being said, I don't see any more questions being typed, and I also don't see any more hands. So I'm just going to say have a great evening further for those of you that are still going to be doing something, if you're not going to go sleep now. And we will see you again Friday, 8:30 South African time, for our shareholders presentation. All right. Awesome night. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
God bless.